Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter. I'm here today with my Art Impressions 2025 Watercolor Advent Calendar. This has been such a fun treat. I've absolutely loved creating a new card every single day. And these are just great stamps to add to my collection. So let's see what is behind door 19. Oh, we have a beautiful little Christmas tree. So now there is a catalog that comes with this that does give me a sneak peek of what the stamps are in advance. So I do have a sneak peek of which stamps are in here, which is very helpful. So I can have kind of a basic idea of what I might want to create. And so what I've decided to do is pull in my Framework Set 1 set. And I love this circle one. It's one I use quite frequently. And I do have some pre-stamped in my collection. So I'm going to pull that out. And what I'm thinking is these trees will fit really nicely in here. Doing 1, 2, 3 trees, maybe on a snowy little mound. So that is kind of where my brain is going. So let's first create our snowy little mound here. Let me see how high I can get my trees. Yes, I like that. I'm just going to tape this down to my mat. So for the rest of this, I'm just going to go ahead and let you listen along and enjoy the sounds of the watercoloring. All right, here is our day 19 card. The stamp set we received today was a gorgeous little fern tree. And I decided I was going to do like a little mountain scene with the trees in the background. And then I decided to bring in like an aurora borealis sky. I don't know why. It's just what spoke to me today. So I grabbed some of my scraps. I have a little scrap bin underneath my desk here, and I grabbed out some scraps, and we put together this card. It is super fast, quick. Remember, it is only paper. So if for some reason you don't like what you've created, remember, it's only paper. So you can create something so simple, so quickly. It is such a blast. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I've enjoyed it so much, and I cannot wait for tomorrow, the 20th. We are drawing so close to the end. We have 5 days left. Wow, where does the time go? Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.